好，开始吧。
Import the image from here. We set the size. For example, we set 2, and this is cutting thickness. 2 is okay. And we set Toolpath 3D. This one. 这多少？15嘛。
15去。
15，下一个是
0.3。
0.3。这个是
6。
You can set a 4 or 5 or 6. Both okay here. Because we only use 2 mm. 30. This is spindle speed. Your spindle is 24000. Feed rate is speed. This feed rate is smaller.
This is done in graph glass or MDF?
Glass
the
or
is different.
It's the same.
The speed.
The speed,
the spindle.
this is the same for all the materials. It's the same. But if you engraving glass, you must control on your machine.
Okay.
On your machine there is a feed rate in the middle. You can control this feed rate to control the speed.
Okay.
In fact, this cutter is for a glass, for stone, for hard things, hard material. Click OK. No. Set it. This one is just we edit. Select.
学了吗？刚才没学是吧？
这个 This one. 4.
Every time I want to put a new cutter, I have to enter the information about cutter.
You can
Different cutter.
cutter.
Yes.
You can save it in this list, and you can choose it. It's easy. Just because just now our library, cutter library has no such cutter, so we edit and we add a new cutter in the list in the library. Same. Yeah. We will check it. Yeah, same. Select and just go on material setup. This is cutting thickness, and this is material thickness.
3.5。
3.5厚。我们是4吧，4。Their offset. No. This one. 这个不行。We didn't use offset because our surface is flat. Yeah. Okay. And now we change it to 3D. And now. said material 4 mm. We can show it show here. This is finished. And you can see stimulation. You can see it. Stimulate. Now you can see the bridge detail, the detail of our file. You can see here. Cutting thickness 2 mm, and the size 200 and 200. Simulation block diameter. Simulation fast standard. This is fast standard virtual thing. And we can see it. And we can fast it.
刚才点了哪一个？
这个
哪一个？
点了这个，是死机了吗？这个
是他在弄的时候，他都是这样的。
是，我把速度点快了。
不动了是吧？死机了，别动了，越动它越。
Just to try and receive it.
Toolpath 是吧？
对 ，save it. Remember this one. This one. Yes. You can save it. You can save it. Glass. On the desktop. Save it. OK. 然后 we close it. Minimize. Minus. This one. We can check this file to see the detail. You can see from here. You can see the cutting thickness. XY size. This is turning on spindle M3. 这个 F3000 is okay. This figure is okay.
这个不需要删吗？
不用删，这个速度行。所以咱一开始原来说咱没设那个速度。
什么时候删？
不用删。让苏伟强看看，应该不用删，我觉得。You can see the biggest is 200x. Y-axis. Why Y-axis is so small? Y-axis. You see one? Oh yes, one here. It's bigger. It shows nearly about 200. Almost the same, yeah. So good.
结束了是吧？
行了。
Open new. Okay, let's do 100 cobalt millimeter. Okay, let's make a big one here. Okay, here's 2D, change to 3D. Okay, we're gonna get a picture. Let's see what picture do we have here. I gonna get let's see, all files. let's get some simple picture. Maybe this one look good. Okay, open it, and then as you can see, it's bigger than the plate that we want to do. So maybe let's go for, since we have 100 so let's go for, let's try 90, and C range maybe 4, go up. Okay, let's apply, let's see. Okay, but this is a little bit out of the frame down here, so let's move it, go up a little bit, and then go on the right a little bit. Okay, apply, let's see. Okay, about in the still a little bit up. Okay, let's see, apply. Okay, look good. So paste it and then close it, and let's see 3D. Oh, looks nice, beautiful. Okay, beautiful picture. Okay, maybe let's see, it's about 4, right? Let's make it 5, just make it higher a little bit. Then okay, see, it's go up a little bit more. Then maybe we can smooth up by 1. Apply it, let's see. Yes, it's smooth up the file. Cancel. Then let's go to Toolpath 3D and do as a whole. Then select the tool. Let's see what tool should we go for. Maybe okay, aluminum. Let's see what we have here. 6mm. Okay, flat radius, half angle 15 degree, and the speed. Okay, let's try this. Step down is 1.25. if we're gonna go to do really soft wood, maybe, because we're gonna go down 5mm, right? Okay, let's try that. Okay, let's try that for now. Let's see what happens. That's gonna be okay. Material, then we have about 20. Then go from the top. Okay, see, from the top go down. And then just make some, maybe dragon, GON, and then now let's quick and see. Here we go. Okay, Toolpath, and then we can see. Let's do simulate all path very quickly. Simulate. Okay, looks good to me. Okay, look good to me. Then you can save the Toolpath and save as NC. Okay, we're gonna save it DRA, just DRA.